Let's brew some Chemex. You will need your Chemex set, coffee and water. Our ratio for Chemex is 1:15, so we will be using 20 grams of coffee and 300 ml of water. First, place the filter paper into your Chemex. Next, boil the water and soak the filter paper to get rid of any paper flavors. And don't forget to discard this water. Tare the scale and measure out 20 grams of coffee and pour this into your filter. Gently tap the Chemex to even out the coffee. Tare the scale again, take the kettle and pour 100 ml of water over the coffee. Make sure the water hits the coffee evenly. Wait for 30 seconds, this is the blooming stage. Pour another 100 ml of water in a circular motion over the coffee. Wait another 30 seconds and pour the last 100 ml of water over the coffee. Hold the server firmly in your hand and swirl gently to ensure that all the coffee grounds have come into contact with the water. Finally, allow the rest of the coffee to draw down into the server and serve and enjoy.